Okay, pumunta lang sa inyong Google at i-type nyo ang appointment.psa.gov.ph at i-click nyo lang po itong link na to, PSA Online Appointment Systems, Philippine Statistic Authority. And then, click nyo po itong logo na to na nasa gitna. So, ayan guys, ito yung lalabas. So, ito yung mga instruction kung paano magpabook ng inyong PSA. So, ayan po siya. Scroll down nyo lang. Makikita nyo na yung ito guys. I-click nyo lang yung check button. And then, yan po yung lalabas. Important reminders. Minors are not allowed to book an appointment. And then, click nyo lang po yung next. So, ayan. Choose a region. Kung saan po kayo located. So, ako po in my region is region 4A. Then, choose an outlet. So, pili po kayo kung saan kayo malapit na outlet. Ang pipiliin ko na lang na outlet ay Lipa City, Batangas. Ayan. Click nyo lang po ulit yung next. So guys, make sure yung email nyo na ilalagay nyo dito yung ginagamit nyo. And then guys, yung sa mobile number, make sure guys yung permanent mobile number yung ilalagay nyo. And then guys, click nyo lang yung I agree. And then click next. Okay. Sorry, hindi ko nilagay aking mobile number. Then click nyo lang po ulit yung next. OTP verification. So wait lang po natin. So guys, i-check ko lang sa email ko kung pumasok na yung OTP. Okay, check ko sa email ko kung pumasok na yung OTP verification code. Okay, pumasok po yung ating OTP. Then, pag na-enter nyo na yung verification code o yung OTP, click nyo lang po yung verify. Ayan. So, ayan po yung lalabas. Then, piliin nyo po kung certificate type, kung anong type yung i-request nyo. So, ito yung mga choices. Certificate of live birth, Certificate of marriage, Senomar, Certificate of death. So, in my case, ang akin ay so, kung i-request nyo ay Certificate of Live Birth, so choose nyo lang po yung Certificate of Live Birth. And then, relationship po, dahil ako yung magre-request self. So, guys, depende sa inyo. So, kung ang i-request nyo sa asawa nyo, sa tatay nyo, mother, son, daughter, grandparent, grandchildren, or authorized representative. So, akin, self, dahil ako yung magre-request. Ayan. So guys, kung mag-add kayo ng another certificate, click nyo lang yung add. So dahil ako wala na akong i-add, click ko lang yung next. So month of November, pili ako ng slot na available. So yun yung ma-highlight guys na pagpipilian nyo ng slot na available. So akin ay, pipiliin ko ay 11. So, ayan guys. Yung time, available slot, and percentage. So, guys, pipiliin ko ay 10:30 AM. And then, click nyo lang yung next. So, ayan guys, lumabas na siya. So, name ko, outlet, Lipa City, Batangas. Outlet address, so ayan guys, nakalagay na siya. PSA ground floor, building C, Fiesta World Mall, Marway, Lipa City. So, ayan nakalagay, date, Friday, November 11, time, 10:30 AM. And then, nakalagay din dito ay certificates. So, 1, birth certificate, SF. So, hindi ko lang po ano yung SF. So, ang nakalagay dyan ay Holden Noble Almasan. So, nandito na rin yung email and contact number ko. Then, click confirm. So, ayan guys, yung lumabas. Appointment confirmed. You have successfully booked an appointment in Lipa City, Batangas on Friday, November 11, 2022 at 10:30 AM. Okay, then nakalagay dito ay please monitor your email account regularly for any announcement regarding your appointment. Then click lang yung next. So yan guys, ito yung lalabas after nun. Ayan nakalagay Civil Registration Service Appointment Slip. So guys, ito yung QR code ko. Created on Thursday, November 3. So, yan nakalagay guys kung anong oras. As of Thursday, November 3, 2022, 11:42 PM. Ayan. So, ayan po. So, ayan yung mga important reminders. So, ayan nakalagay din dito kung magkano yung babayaran ko. And then, nakalagay din dito yung procedures of application. Nakalagay na note. Do not forget to bring an ID that is matched to the name you have encoded. Be reminded that this appointment is non-transferable. So, ayan guys. And then, nakalagay dito. Please monitor your email account regularly for any announcement regarding your appointment. So, yun yung binasa ko kanina. So, click lang natin yung print appointment form. So, ito siya guys. Okay, ito yung lalabas, nakalagay dito. Civil Registration Service Appointment Slip. So, nandito yung QR code ko, details, outlet, Lipa City, Batangas, and then outlet address kung saan ako pupunta. So, yun lang.